Easy animal riddles. I wear a tuxedo in the snow and skate on my tummy across ice. What am I? Penguin. I love honey, but I don't like the bees. I have cubs. And sometimes climb trees. Bear. I slither around with my home on my back. I've never been rich, but I leave silver tracks. Snail. I am small and colorful. I have got big wings. I live in gardens. I used to be a caterpillar. What am I? Butterfly. I've got two big humps and sand-colored hair. I live in the desert. And I spit, so beware. A camel. You can hear me roar for miles around. I chase gazelles and don't make a sound. I have a big mane. And a big pride. When it gets hot, in the shade, I hide. A lion. I'll give you a butt if you get near my horns. Just like sheep, in the springtime I'm born. I'm not a cow, but I can make cheese. I wear a bell so you can hear me with ease. Goat. I'm bigger than a house, scared of a mouse, have great big toes and a hose for a nose. Elephant. I like to hop around. I'm a tadpole when I'm young. I am green and I croak. And catch flies with my long tongue. What am I? Frog. I'm gray and I say Eeyore. What am I? Donkey.